Cover Girl, Maybelline, Physicians Formula. Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So this is just a quick update or a quick review because I didn't do a final look video after I got done installing this hair. But I think I'll just go ahead and combine this video with the install video, and so it'll be like an install and a review all in one. So it's been about, I think it's been about 2 weeks now where I've had the Go-Go curl in. Just in case you forgot it, it's the Go-Go curl in 12 inch. The color I have in right now is the number 2. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks after 2 weeks. Me personally, I've already used this hair several times. I love the Go-Go curl. I don't have any problems with it, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks if you haven't tried it, or if you're thinking about trying it, or if you really just, you know, haven't ran across the video you like. So I hope you guys like this. Okay, so I ended up getting a call. Sorry, but here's the 360. Now, I didn't have to cut any layers in it or anything like that. Nothing too major. I did go around and, you know, trim off the thin pieces. But I didn't have to cut really too many layers in the hair because it was already how I liked it. Now, this hair, after a while, as you can see, it does tangle a bit, as you can see right there. But what you can do is, when it gets like that, if you want to keep this up longer, if you're fine with it after 2 weeks and you're ready to take it out, you can go ahead. So when you come to the loose pieces like that, you can go in, or as you can see right here, and just cut it off. You see that? Just go in throughout your whole head, cut off the loose pieces, and then if you feel like your hair has gotten flat or thinned out, once you cut off those loose pieces, you can actually go back in, add more hair, and then add some loose, and it'll, you know, liven up the style a little bit if you're not ready to take it down. But if you're okay with taking it down, you know, just go ahead, cut it out. Don't even worry about that. I didn't have to keep applying mousse to the hair. I'm actually going to leave this up longer. So with you guys seeing me now, like cutting at it, I'm going to actually go in later and cut out the real big frizzy pieces, and then add some mousse. Where's my trash can? I think I took it out. So then I'm gonna go in and add mousse and then liven it up a little bit because I do want to leave it in longer. Now the only thing I'm not sure about is if I'll have to add more hair. I probably will, but if I don't, it's okay. But I really do like this hair. Also, I did wear it in ponytail. One thing I did not show on camera, after I installed it, I went back in and installed like short curly pieces around my hairline because it's hot. Some days I don't be always feeling like, you know, wearing the hair down long. Now, even though I did do the invisible method in the front, I did not do the invisible method in the back. So I don't care about showing the knots, but I'm gonna show you how it look once I pull out the short curly pieces I added. Oh, that's gonna look short. And I did do just the standard way that I gel down my edges. I try to keep my videos realistic for you guys. I don't come on here doing extra stuff that I won't do on a typical day, because I just feel like that's just not realistic. As y'all can see, this has gotten tangled. I'll cut it off. As you can see, it's really frizzy right there. So, like I said earlier, just go in and cut it off. Pull this one out. So this was a short piece that I had installed. It's okay that it came out. Okay, so when I pulled it up in a ponytail, of course I did the invisible knotless method in the front. So I pulled out curly pieces in the front, but I didn't do it in the back. I kept the back the traditional knots. I didn't feel like doing all of that. And this is how it looks when I wear it in a ponytail. So when I pull it up, I'm okay with showing the knots in the back. Some days I just don't feel like having all this hair on me. But if you need to refresh your knots at all, as usual, I don't have everything. 1 second. Okay, so if you need, you see how it's starting to look just a tad bit old. If you need to refresh your knots, I might make this a separate video because it's getting long. Yeah, if you need to refresh your knots, you can always go in and just do that to cover up your parts if you need to refresh them. You see how it just got more volume? And don't be afraid to do it. Y'all, this hair is synthetic. So you see how it provided more coverage? It's that simple. But I just wanted to show you guys this and hope you found this helpful. Don't forget, if this is not your first time visiting my channel and you haven't subscribed, baby girl. I'm just playing. Y'all get y'all lives together, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. If you don't know how to do the illusion method, go ahead and check that video out. I'll leave an annotation somewhere up here for y'all. But thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all the love and support and the new subscribers that I've been getting. And thank you to my old subscribers. You guys have a blessed day. Bye. Brittany, get it together. Get it together. Lord, this hair. Am I gotta make sure the boobies in check. Check like 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3. they gotta amp themselves up to do a video? Well, not really amp, but it's like, you know, you gotta get yourself in the mood. Okay, let's do this.